Hi everyone, uh, I'm doing this new unboxing of this new Seiko Premier Kinetic Perpetual. The model number is SPB166P1. I've searched the internet and I couldn't find any, so that's why I'm doing this review for this unboxing. And I got it nearly about a month ago, I think. Okay, so very well, nice pack. Seiko warranty. Yeah, standard warranty card. Oh, it's on the 4th of November, early this month, with the serial number, everything on it. Yeah, the instruction, and basically this model is, the movement is a 7D, the 56, 7D56, and here we are. Okay, let me put this aside. The Seiko SNP166P1. Okay, and it's very nice and gorgeous, and I love it. And this is the Premier Kinetic. I own a Kinetic before, which I think is about more than 20 years, the SQ50, and the sapphire crystal is not scratched at all, so it's very nice and reliable on the crystal. Yeah, let me zoom in closer if I can. Okay, what you see here, this is the date, and here is the 24 hours time indicator, as well as the leap year and the month. Okay, and once it is adjusted, you don't even have to adjust the time, I mean your date and time, I mean the date and the leap year, because every year after because this year is a leap year, so you see the leap year indication is there. So after next year, after November, December, then January, once it goes to January, the leap year comes to 1, so you will just keep on going. Okay, and the best thing about this Kinetic is that you just wear, and based on your movement, you will charge the battery inside, and it will give you the quartz accuracy. Okay, based on this 7D56, what I see the specs is about 15 plus and minus a day, but so far I've already monitored, it only went off minus 1 second only so far, and I find it's very accurate for this watch. Yeah, so the specs you can actually check out on the internet. I don't want to go into the specs, I just basically want to show you. This is the unboxing, and I like this crown, the crown protector here. Okay, and the gold. Okay, at the back, unfortunately there isn't any hard acrylic, I mean not acrylic, the hard crystal, not the mineral crystal, the Seiko mineral crystal for the viewing back, but basically it's okay for me, I find. Okay, and I like this bracelet. It's stainless steel, and it's not the cheap metal stamping, it's basically a stainless steel metal, so it's very nice, I find very nice. Okay, and the best thing, one more thing, is that if you are not wearing this watch and you leave it there for 1 day, in more than 24 hours, what happens is that the watch will go into something like a sleep mode. Okay, the second hand will stop, but the date will keep going, so you don't have to adjust the date. The moment when you take it out, you just give a shake. Okay, the time and the second, everything will come back to the original timing of where it stops, of the actual timing itself. That means, you say so. Based on the specs, it can give you 4 years with full charge. With a full charge of batteries, right? Winding, the full charge winding, you can put there, and then you can sleep for 4 years. Wow, that is really impressive. But frankly speaking, who want to buy a watch and leave it there for 4 years? Yeah, so might as well you don't buy, right, if that's the case. So it's considered a very good power watch, saving watch. That's why I bought this watch. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. This is my very first watch review. Thanks.